transcendental étude Harmonies du Soir is Liszt at his most sensual and majestic. It's twilight turned into music, glowing harmonies, distant bells and velvet landscapes. Not just beauty, but overwhelming spiritual radiance. The opening must blossom like a flower. Let each chord and arpeggio open up gently with patience, not push. It's not background, it's the painting of a whole atmosphere. The main themes are soaring and glowing. Treat them as cello lines or vocal sighs. Let the notes lean into the emotion to its fullest. Swell and recede, like tides or wind moving across golden sand or beautiful Tuscan landscapes dipped in heartwarming harmonic structures. Pedal is essential but dangerous. Use it only to create resonance, shimmer, echo, not to hide muddy playing. The clarity of your voicing must shine through the richness of a sort of a sound bed of pure emotion. If done right, the musical expression can go directly into listeners' hearts. The final pages are not just powerful, they're holy. Let the rising chords feel like bells in a cathedral tower. This is not thunder, it's illumination. Let every sound glow with exaltation. This etude isn't about showing beauty, it's about becoming beauty. If you play it with balance, depth, and a glowing tone, you leave the listener floating in golden light. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon, and have an amazing day.